Good morning friends. Welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss how to write a C program to find the reverse of a given number. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. What is the reverse of a number? Suppose if the given number is 153, reverse of it is 351. Okay. Now let me write a C program to find a reverse of any n digit number. Okay. So to do that one, I need to include the header file called stdio.h. Okay. Hash include stdio.h, void main. Okay. And then I need to declare the variables which I will use it in the program. Now I will take it as num. Okay. And then I will take the remainder. I will take the reverse and I will make it as 0, and any variables which I required, I will use them whenever it is required. Okay, so currently I am declaring the three variables such as num, remainder and reverse. Okay, first I need to ask the user to enter the number. So I am using an inbuilt function called printf to display this one on the console. Enter the number. I am using a \n, which is a new line character. Now whatever the number user is entering, I need to read it. So I am using a inbuilt function called scanf. As I am reading an integer, so I am using a format specifier called %d. I hope it is visible. If it is not visible, let me write it. Okay. And then I need to store it in the address location of the variable num. Okay. Now I have read the value. Now what I need to do, I need to find the reverse of a given number. So how can I do it is that while num not equal to 0. Okay, whatever the number which is not equal to 0. Okay, now first thing I need to compute the remainder. So remainder is equal to, how can I find the remainder? Given number modulus 10. Okay, I will get the remainder. Now what I will do is that reverse is equal to, okay, reverse is equal to reverse, okay, into 10 plus remainder. Okay, then I will compute num is equal to num by 10. Okay, and I will close this while loop. Look at it, what it will do. Suppose let's take that I have taken the given number as 153. So this 153 will be there in the variable called num. Okay, and remainder is a variable. Initially it will have a garbage value, and reverse is in another variable you are taking. Currently it is having 0. Is it clear? This will consist of a garbage value because we did not initialize any value to it. And num we are reading from the user and it is making it as 153. Reverse is equal to 0. Now look at it. Num not equal to 0. This is the condition. What is the num? 153. 153 is not equal to 0. So this condition is true. If this condition is true, what are the statements which are there in the while body? You need to execute them. So first statement is remainder is equal to num modulus 10. The modulus is an arithmetic operator. It will give you the remainder. Okay. So 153 modulus 10 will give you 3. So remainder will consist of value 3. Okay. Now reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. What is the reverse? Initially consists of 0. So 0 into 10 plus remainder, which is equal to get 3. So you are updating the reverse to 3. Okay, good. Now num is equal to num by 10. What is the division? It is an arithmetic operator. It will give you the quotient. So 153 is the num. 153 by 10, you will get the quotient as what? 15. So the num will be updated to 15. Will you agree with me or not? Now look at, after executing these statements, again you will check whether the condition is true or false. What is the condition? Num not equal to 0. What is the num is consists of 15. 15 is not equal to 0. Again the condition is true. Then you need to execute these three statements. What is the first statement? Remainder is equal to num modulus 10. What is the num consists of 15? 15 modulus 10, you will get the remainder as 5. So previously you got the value 3. Now you got the value 5. So you are updating it. Okay. Now reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus 3. What is the reverse is consists of 3? So 3 into 10 plus 5, which is equal to 35. So reverse is consists of value 35. Now the next statement is num is equal to num by 10. So 15 by 10, you will get the quotient as 1. So num will be updated to 1. Okay. Now these three statements are done. Again you will check the condition. Num not equal to 0. What is the num consists of 1? 1 is not equal to 0. Again the condition is true. Again these three statements you need to execute. What is the first statement? Remainder is equal to num modulus 10. 1 modulus 10, you will get the remainder as 1. So you need to update it as to 1. Now reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. What is the reverse is consists of? Consists of 35. So 35 into 10 plus 1, which is equal to 351. So reverse is currently consists of value 351. Now num is equal to num by 10. Num is 1. 1 by 10, you will get the quotient as 0. Okay, so after execute these three statements, num is updated to 0, remainder is updated to 1, reverse is consists of number 351. All these three statements are done. Again you will check the condition. Num not equal to 0. What is the num? 0. 0 is equal to 0. So this condition is failed. If this condition is failed, you will come out from the while loop. So this is the way this while loop is working. Now, what is the reverse of a given number? Printf percentage %d, or you can write the statement also. The reverse of a given number is percentage %d reverse. Okay, are you able to understand? Get ch. Okay, so this is the program to find the reverse of a given number. Even with this program, you can extend little bit and you can check whether the given number is palindrome or not. What is a palindrome? If you take in the number 153, you find the reverse of it. If the reverse is equal to the given number, then you can say that it is palindrome. Let's take that 111. If you reverse it, you will get 111. So the reverse and the original number are equal, then you can say it is a palindrome. Are you able to understand it or not? What you have to do, what you need to update, you have to take this number in some variable, and finally you need to check that variable and the reverse. If they are equal, you will say that it is palindrome. Otherwise you will say that it is not a palindrome. Okay, so you please update it and you check that that program of palindrome is working or not. So I request everyone to practice these kind of programs. If you practice it, you will learn the C program in a better way. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.